If your idea of speed is just a little more, you're probably a biker. If you talk to your bike more than your pets, you're definitely a biker. But what happens when you meet a cop with a sense of humor? So, picture this. You're cruising on your bike, wind in your hair, feeling like the king of the road. Suddenly, whoop whoop, those blue lights start flashing behind you. Your heart instantly doing the cha-cha. You pull over trying to look innocent. The cop walks up and says, "License, registration." "And is that a rubber chicken on your handlebars?" You panic. For good luck, officer," he grins. "Well, he's not wearing a helmet. That's a $10 fine for the chicken." You both burst out laughing. The cop says, "Next time, tell your chicken to follow the rules." You ride off, relieved, promising your chicken a helmet and maybe a tiny reflective vest. So next time you're on two wheels, remember, laughter might just get you out of a ticket. Stay safe and keep it silly.